Hi everyone, and welcome to this short video on the Governor option spread strategy. Now, if you're looking to generate consistent, high probability, repeatable income with a simple, logical option spread, watch this video. As I said, it's not long. Now, here's an actual trade I have in place at the time of this video. This is, again, a strategy called the Governor. So this is a trade with that strategy. A couple of things that you're going to notice about this strategy. The first is the probability of profit. It's projected to be at a whopping 91.2%. That is a tremendous probability of profit no matter what. But combine that with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 0.095. That's almost a 1-to-1 win-loss ratio with a 91.2% probability of success. Your average win here is 657. Your average loss would be 689. And at 91%, that is a tremendous, tremendous opportunity. Again, this is an actual fill. This is not a hypothetical scenario. Meanwhile, the per trade expectation tops $500, which is right here. In other words, what that means is that if you were to take this trade 100 times with these current market conditions and the probabilities, you would average a gain of $538 every trade, win, lose, or draw. It averages out. So you take all the winners, you take all the losers, you add them up, divide by 100, and you come up with a positive expectancy of 538 trades, and that's created by doing a Monte Carlo simulation of over 100,000 iterations of this particular trade. So these are some really, really strong statistical metrics associated with this particular strategy and some of these trades with the strategy. Now, the great thing about this is that if the market moves down, and this is very purposeful, but if the market moves down, I'm guaranteed to make at least $110 on this particular trade. In other words, I have no risk to the downside. That's partly why this projected profit potential is so high. It's because I can't lose if the market moves down. And what the market has to do is the market has to move up through the profit zone before it reaches the risk zone. And of course, the break even here is at 713. That's a projection. I would actually argue that that would probably be a little bit lower because as the market moves up, they drop volatility. That's explained in the videos. It's not that much bad. There's a tremendous amount of margin for error here with these probabilities. So the average win is projected to be at 657. And because we don't lose very often with this particular approach in normal market conditions, the average expected value is also very high. But what I really like about this trade is the simplicity and the confidence I have to be able to consistently place on this trade without the stress and worries of a big loss or the market moving down or crashing. Market crashes overnight, I'm happy as a lark. I'm not going to lose any money on this trade or this strategy because it's designed specifically to make money if the market stays the same or moves down. And it's also designed to make money as the market moves up, obviously into the profit zone by expiration. And this is a simple set it and forget it type option spread in SPX. Now, you can actually trade this in SPY or the Qs or IWM. It can be traded in any of the indexes, but I pretty much trade these in SPX just simply because the losses, the potential losses are so small in so many of these opportunities. And there are dozens of opportunities at any given time. Like I exited a trade earlier today. There are dozens of trades that I can immediately go and replace that trade with. For example, perhaps you want to focus more on bigger average trades than super high probabilities. Well, you can do that, and you'll notice this trade, this is also an actual trade, actual fills that I have on, actually had on before this morning, before I started this video. Since then, it's already exited. I'll get to that here in a second. But at the time that I placed it on, 83.9% probability of success. The average expected gain is 683, but I'm not going to win as often, right? Because why? The break-even level is closer. And so this break-even is at 702, basically 702 and a half is the projected break-even for this trade. This trade I have on at a bigger credit, which means that if the market moves down, I make at minimum the credit, but I'm closer to the bigger profit zone. And so from time to time, you'll get a bigger trade like that, and depends on how you trade it. But if you want to focus on bigger profit trades, you can absolutely do that. If you want to focus on higher probability, like super high probability trades, you can do that as well. The governor is a flexible strategy. But this is also a trade I had on again at the beginning of the day. And as I mentioned, I exited it right before this video and took a $290 profit early. This is the exact trade that I took this profit on earlier today. And in fact, I entered this trade on a Friday afternoon and exited early afternoon the following Tuesday. So basically 3 trading days. And I was able to pocket $290 in this particular trade. Now, I fully reveal the governor option spread strategy in 2 separate videos, totaling around 2 hours. I discuss the very sound logic that is driving the strategy. I fully disclose and discuss the risks that are involved and how to enter and when to exit in these videos. It is not a hard strategy to understand. It's very simple, very logical. Plus, I provide a compounding plan that will help you take the strategy and grow your account exponentially over time. The key is consistency and keep your losses smaller. And that's going to accelerate your compounding plan. And I go over all of this in the videos that you get with this program. Here is the compounding, or are the compounding projections, since there's multiple projections here, but here are the compounding projections from one of the trades. And this is based on my fixed ratio approach. And these numbers were created by doing a 3,000 iteration Monte Carlo simulation. And so after 50 trades, the median was $535,000 in profits after just 50 trades. So let's say you take 1 trade per week. This is what your account can grow into in just 1 year. And the range here, though, and you can't ignore this, and this is what I love about this particular approach to projecting the compounded returns. The range here is 113K to as much as 714K. So 714K is like you're getting the top trade every time, or not every time, but on the upper end. And the lower range is you're not doing as well as the probabilities are projecting, but you can still grow your account geometrically. So after 50 trades, that's what that potential is, the median. Here at 100 trades, it really starts picking up at 2.1 million. Again, the range here is 1.2 million to 2.9, so it's a big range. It's a very big range, but you can't sneeze at even the bottom level of this range, right? And then after 200 trades, let's say 4 years, it's projecting as much as $8.7 million, and you're trading at as many as 150 lots. Now, that's not very much for 8.7 million in the account. So the compounding here is absolutely spectacular with regard to what it can do. And even if you don't do near as well, you're still talking about significant growth over a period of 1 year or 2 years. So we make it super simple for you to find a trade that you want with our on-demand 24/7 scans. You can see the potential compounding projections from these trades. Here is a shot of the scans that are available. And you'll notice that I have this sorted by distance to the short strike. Now, this means that this is how far the market has to move up just to make it to the short strike. And the short strike in this particular strategy is the profit peak. So this is not the break even. It doesn't have to move 1.79% to reach the break even. That's to the profit peak. It has to move up quite a bit more to reach the break even. And so if you're in these trades, for example, here's one that expires 2/11, right? And the day of this video is 2/3. So this is not that far away. And here, look, the market, just to reach the profit peak, is 1.57%. So we can bounce 1.57% in 1 week, and we're still just at the profit peak. This is what creates the very high probability. So you can sort by distance to strike and focus more on the higher probability trades, or you can focus on the credit, and with the credit you can create bigger average winning trades, but the probability is going to be a little bit lower. What I like to do, honestly, is when the market's down, I'll go for the super high probabilities, right? I'm not going to, if the market is down, I'm going to expect a bounce, and so I'll go for the super high probability. But if the market is like near all-time highs, which it has been hovering for months and months, I will go for a little bit bigger average wins, and that's going to increase my overall profit. That's just my personal way that I trade this. And again, this is something that I touch on in the videos as well. But between the videos, the scans, and the compounding strategy and plan, you can begin to implement this strategy with your very first trade almost immediately. It is simple, it is logical, it is powerful. And I want to make it as easy for you to get started as possible, and that's why you're going to get everything: the Governor fully revealed video series, the compounding plan for exponential growth. You're going to get those for a single payment of just $297, but for a limited time, I am also throwing in 12 months of the on-demand trade scans as a bonus, absolutely free. So you get the Governor fully revealed video series, you get access to the compounding plan and exponential growth, and you also get 12 months of the scans. They're on demand anytime, any day. You open it up, you check the scans, and it will give you the most recent scans at whenever it is that you need them. So that's normally $497, and I'm giving those to you for free, and you get the entire package for only $297. So this is, again, obviously, for obvious reasons, very limited, and you want to be able to take advantage of that today. So considering the trade that I closed out today, which had an 83% probability of profit and made back the entire cost of the package in just 3 days, this should make the decision a pretty easy one for you. But it's not just a $290 trade here or $110 trade here. There are also times where you can bank a larger gain. So for example, here's one that made $1,150 in just 5 calendar days. $1,150 in 5 calendar days, that's almost 4 times the entire cost of this package in just 5 days. So this is, for example, one of those that I just mentioned where I'll go for a bigger winning trade potential if the market is up substantially, because if the market just simply stagnates or even pulls back, now I've got a significant profit that I can go ahead and take, which I did here, as you can see. So from time to time, you will bank some of the bigger winners as well, and you can easily pay for this entire program with one trade or more. You can pay for it and more with a single trade. And just to kind of show you the consistency of the probabilities of this trade, this is a matrix of the current opportunities of the Governor. And you'll notice this is closer to expiration. Let me change the color here. This is closer to expiration. So this column right here actually expires, I believe, in 2 days. And you go a little bit further out, and you can see this is in 3 days, this is in 4 days, and you can see you go out a little bit more in time, and the probability gets a little bit lower until you get to some of these that have a little bit higher price. I explain this in the videos, I should say. This is all a function of basically volatility metrics. Nevertheless, look at all of them that have really decent probabilities. 77, 76, 74, 73, 86. These are all bigger winning trades right here. And so they're going to carry a little bit smaller overall probability of profit, but you're going to get bigger winners as a general rule. And then you go and get a little bit smaller winners, and you get the higher probability trade. So lots of opportunities at any given time. That's the whole point. And again, remember, 12 months of the 24/7 on-demand scans alone would cost you $497. You get the entire package here. Limited time for $297. You get the scans as a bonus, absolutely free, if you grab your spot today. Outside of today, I cannot guarantee that we won't hit our limit. So be sure and secure your spot, and I look forward to hearing about your success.